In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and www.swiss.com. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find the official Swiss website through Google, accept the initial prompt on the homepage, navigate to Help and Contact, open the FAQs, and use the red customer service icon to reach support when you need it. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. Type Swiss Airlines into the search bar and look for the official result that points to www.swiss. It's a good habit to double check that the domain is correct before you click so you're sure you're on the real site and not a lookalike. When the homepage loads, you'll likely see a cookie or privacy banner. To continue using the site without interruptions, click Agree. If you prefer to manage settings, you can, but choosing Agree is the quickest way to move forward and won't affect your ability to find help. Next, locate Help and Contact. Depending on your screen size, you'll usually find it in the top navigation or in the footer at the bottom of the page. Click it to open Swiss's main support hub. This section is designed to gather all the ways you can get assistance, from general information to more specific account and booking help. On the Help and Contact page, look for Go to FAQs and click it. The FAQ area is where Swiss organizes answers to common topics like bookings, changes, baggage, and travel documents. Browsing here first can save time because many quick questions are answered instantly without waiting for an agent. While you're on the FAQs or contact page, glance at the bottom right corner of your screen. That's where Swiss places its on-page assistance widget. If you don't see anything, give the page a moment to fully load and make sure pop-up or script blockers are disabled for this site. When the red customer service icon appears in the bottom right, click it. This opens the customer service interface, which may include a virtual assistant, chat options, or guided contact choices. Follow the prompts that appear. For a smooth experience, have your booking reference, last name, and any relevant dates ready to share with an agent if requested. If the tool offers language selection or a topic menu, pick the option that best matches your request to be routed faster. That's it. Using Google to find the official site, agreeing to the initial banner, heading to Help and Contact, checking the FAQs, and then clicking the red icon gives you a clear path to support on Swiss.com. Thanks for watching and safe travels.